What's the meaning of catnip? Catnip. Catnip.
Catnip. Catnip. Catnip is a herbaceous plant in the mint family, which contains an essential oil called nepetalactone. This oil is known to have a profound effect on cats, producing a state of euphoria that can last for several minutes. When cats come into contact with catnip, they may roll around, meow, or become hyperactive. Some cats may even become more relaxed and sleepy. Not all cats are affected by catnip. It is estimated that only 50 to 70% of cats will respond to its effects.